You want to know how can you buy players on FIFA Mobile? You are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you that and also how can you sell players on FIFA Mobile. So let's jump right into it. First we need to open the market by tapping on market right here. Basically everything happens here. So tap on purchase after selecting the player and you'll be able to buy it. Of course, once you tap on purchase and you have enough money, you can tap on purchase again and the player will be basically yours because you have of course bought it with your own money. And that is it. If you want to add the player to a watch list, tap right here and then you'll find it under my watch list right there. You can sell your players by tapping on my players, select the player that you want to sell. So just tap on their card and then tap on sell at the right there. Of course, you have to unlock to continue. Tap on sell again. And just like that, once you tap on sell, the player will be for sale. You're basically selling your player on FIFA Mobile, just like that. You can find your orders here and you can search for players right there. So tap in the search bar and search for a name of a player that you want to buy. Tap on search and you should find a lot of results. You can just tap on the card and then tap on purchase, of course, and carry on in buying your player. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.